going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And today, guys, I just got a unboxing for you guys from Amazon. So let's see what it is. This is a very special unboxing that I ordered yesterday or 2 days ago. So let's see, as Crown Jewel is playing in the other room, I mean, I guess you guys set up Punk versus Seth, right? I can't believe that kicked off the show, though. Please just open. There we go. So, what I got, which I don't think there's a slip cover for this, but what I got was Bret Hart Wrestling with Shadows. Yes, sir. And it does say the life and death of Owen Hart is on this. Says it right here. The life and death of Owen Hart, 1999. But this is the 25th anniversary. Of the Wrestling with Shadows from the Survivor Series, 1997 screw job, and I hear this is one of the best documentaries of all time. So, I hope that is true. Why won't this open? There we go. God. So, here we go. And yes, it has it! It has the insert thing. Let's go, man. Let's go. This talks about the documentary itself. And then there's the disc. And yes, guys. Yes, guys. You can reverse the artwork if you like. Which I think I'm going to do. Whoops. Wait up. So there, I switched the artwork around. So yeah, you can switch the artwork. So I switched it to the original Bret Hart Wrestling with Shadows on Blu-ray. So yeah. So this talks about the interview with Sally Blake, what makes the company working on time, do you know the knowledge of awareness of wrestling going into the film, the screw job they talk about. And just a bunch of other stuff. But yes, guys, I did switch the artwork around. This looks kind of cooler to me. But yes, guys, here's the artwork again. And like I said, this does come with the life and death of Owen Hart, 1999, about 47 minutes, with an intro by Paul J. New interviews with Bret Hart. Directing with Shadows. Yeah, so today I got the Hitman Hart Wrestling with Shadows Blu-ray with the reversible disc, the reversible artwork. So that's very cool. So guys, this has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings with a very special Blu-ray unboxing. So guys, this has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know, and I'm out. Peace.